Just tell me about the 4 buses, please.
Yeah, we have the 4 buses. Which one bus? One is the 12-meter electrical bus. One is the hydrogen bus, fuel cell, with the fuel cell. One is the 8-meter, but with the 3 doors. This is the new one. And all of us, we have the type approval for the European market and for the Turkey market, of course.
How much are you producing per annum here in Turkey, and how much are you exporting to European countries?
Yeah, we have the 1,000 capacity, 1,000 per year capacity, and for the bus, 1,500. For the European market, we 500 for 1 year.
And what are your target? What do you look for in CNG, electric, hydrogen, and
I
the
think,
diesel buses?
50-50 diesel buses and the electrical buses. And percent 10, we produce the hydrogen in our target for the European and for the Turkey market.
And which are the markets you are strong in Europe?
Yes, we have communication in the European, and we have distributor in some country in the European.
What are your expectations from the Turkey market, from the show?
Yeah, we are strong in the Turkey market because we produce the gas, we produce the steel, iron steel, and I say to you, HABAS group, very strong in the Turkey. The Turkey market, we are a lot of experience.
And you manufacture in Turkey?
Yes, in Turkey, in Manisa.
Lovely. Thank you so much for your time.